So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how we entertain our 4-year-old daughter at home during this pandemic, during this lockdown. I know things are really bad in India, and I really hope that you are healthy and following all the protocols and you're safe inside the house. And we are all safe, by the way, just in case if you're wondering. I have been really out from social media for a little bit because I just wasn't in the mood to create any content in this very hard time. But at the end, I also want to share the moments so that it can bring a little smile on your face and also bring little positivity as well, because definitely we are blessed to have a big house where my daughter, she can entertain herself, where she can play inside and outside as well. And I'm not the only person who entertains her. We are living with her, with our family right now, because we are on vacation in India. So she has the help from my mother, and I mean my parents, and from her aunt and grandparents, and so it is really going nice.
Cow baby चिल्ला रही है।
वो क्या बेबी डरता है?
आपसे डरता है? मुझे तो नहीं लगता काऊ बेबी डरता है।
Couple of days in a week we also do homeschooling. I'm not at all afraid that she'll forget things what she had learned in past, because we used to also get 3 to 4 months of break every school session, and I really loved that those days. Nowadays I see kids do not get that long breaks, and if I'm able to, it's really great for my child, I think. So some days we make just DIY worksheets at home, and she does that. And soon I will share with you guys the next DIY worksheet with you guys, like the video with you guys, so that you can get idea for your kids too. I have recently come across a very fun and interactive online learning platform for math and coding, and that is Cuemath. Cuemath is India's #1 after-school learning program for math and coding for students between KG to 10th standard. They offer live personalized classes through an adaptive learning platform and cater to students from across 15 plus countries, including India, USA, and Canada, and that is really crazy. So Cuemath covers all major curriculums offered in India, such as ICSE, CBSE, and a state board, and are conducted in small batches with personal attention given to every single student. This platform integrates interactive method in teaching that shows real-world examples that helps kids visualize concept instead of memorizing, and help strengthen their mathematical foundation. This also helps them to become a critical thinkers and apply math in real life scenarios. Cuemath teaches math with visual simulation that helps to create a strong impact in child's mind, so they never forget a concept that they have learned. Moreover, they have worksheets with them as well, where your child can solve math and test themselves. There's no doubt nowadays kids are learning through screen time, and it is our responsibility as a parent to choose a good learning platform for our kids. And Cuemath is one of the platform which you can trust. So if you have kids from KG to 10th standard, I would definitely recommend you to check them out. You can book a free trial class with Cuemath from the link mentioned in the description box, and introduce a new fun way of learning math to your child.
Which one? Yellow? Okay.
Yeah, yellow.
Okay, get it. One more.
I think he's happy. I know in the bush.
Okay.
Good job.
And more.
I don't.
You can take that one. You can plug that one.
Okay.
Do you see here? Here?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Done? Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
You're all three. Okay.
Yeah. Now let's go inside and do puja, okay? Jai Mata Rani karenge abhi hum. Oh, I like your shoes. I mean sandal. They're so pretty. So pretty. What color it is? Is it golden?
Yeah, oh, it's golden.
We have a very beautiful Mata Rani ka mandir on backside of our house. So after doing puja over there, Nirvi loves to do puja of this little calf. His name is Baggu. And if you have watched our previous video, which is a house tour video, you might have seen how much she loves him. And in fact, I've shared a lot of Instagram stories as well about these two guys. They are absolute adorable to watch.
अच्छा यहाँ रख दो So beautiful he is. चलो now let's go, okay?
Sometimes before it gets little hot, I take her outside in this bagicha, which is a mango farm near to our house, and it is very quiet place. You won't see anybody over there apart from us. So she loves to do the tree climbing over there. As we are on vacation and I do not have access to a lot of craft or things through which I can create activities for Nirvi, so she get to play with whatever stuff we have at home. So today she's playing with thermocol balls and some water in it. So just an idea, if you have something like this, you can give your child to play with it, and it is a great sensory play, I can say.
Yeah.
Balls. These are small balls.
Yeah. It didn't have to make a dinosaur on here.
Some days she also loved to help out in the chores, daily chores that we adults do. Sometimes she also do the farming chores with my mother or father. Sometimes she does the kettle work and do the puja and all those stuff. So today she decided to do the laundry with me, and usually we wash our clothes with the hands as well. Acha.
No.
Acha. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that we have a very old swing in our house, and it is also 60+ year old. And if you have not watched our house tour video, do check out, because this house is 85+year-old house and it has been well maintained by our parents, and you would love to see the whole house tour because so many of you have given a very beautiful comments on that video. In the evening, we like to take her outside sometimes, not every day because of the strict lockdown, but sometimes we take her to this ground which is very empty almost all the time, so that she can run around and burn her energy. Even though our house is big, but sometimes even big house is not enough for kids. Kids love to go outside and see the world, so that's completely fine. We live in a village, so you can find a very empty spaces all around the village as well. So yeah, anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if yes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section how you are doing, how your kids are doing. If there is any challenges that you are facing, particularly regarding kids, you can DM me on Instagram. I would love to help you out personally if that is something that you cannot share over here on the like the comment section of YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.